Hello everyone, my name is Aryo Monangan and I'm from Group 6. So today I want to present our presentations about my data. So this project will discuss designing the My Data Firebase system in Android Studio, as well as adding users' data to the system and programming using Kotlins. Making these admin systems aims to add users' data and monitor any data that has been entered, so that data managers can evaluate the activities that exist in the My Data system. So in this My Data systems, we have data ID, which will store the user ID, so that it is easy to find in the Firebase database. And the name, which will store the user's name, the genders, which will add a male or females, and an address that will add the user's latest address, and enter the user's birth date too, current active job status, and postcode at home, and as well as adding email address of users who are still active. So after filling in all the data, the users must submit the data. And after submitting, the users can press the show data buttons to display the data that has been filled in it's correct or not. If it is wrong or someone wants to update, so the users can use the update button to edit. And this is the flowchart diagrams we use. So after the users log in the username and password, and it will start, it will get the names from the users, get the genders, get your address, birth date, status job, code post, and email. And after adding all of that, the users can submit the data so that can store to the database. And after the user submit, the user can use the show data too to see the submit data before. So that if the users want to add or delete the data, the users can use the updates and delete button. And this is the user interface in the admin login. So on this page, there is a table that must be filled in the user's username and password in order to log in. After the users add the username and passwords, the users can go to the next page to fill the data. And this is the user interface once the admin login have filled. So in this admin login, we have this username admin and password admin1. After finishing, the users can press the login button so that the users can continue to the next page. So the next page will get the name, get the genders, you can get the address, get the birth date, status job, code post, and email. And that's it for me. The other page will be explained with my friends. Thank you for listening.
Okay, I will now explain about our application, how it works. So first, there will be this, after logging in, there will be this interface, which tells you to fill your name, your gender, your address, your birthday, your current job, your postcode, and your email. So you fill this, and then you press the submit button. Once you press the submit button, it will then send this data to the Firebase database, and you can actually submit a few data at once. Like for example, if you want to fill in for 5 people or 6 people, you can just submit it 6 times. See, this is the example of the data that has been submitted. If you name, there's name, gender, blah blah blah, and then after you press the submit button, and you press the show data button, there will be this layout or interface which shows you the things that you put in first. Like if you put in first, like here for example, Aryo Hamonangan, then Leonard, then the one on the top will be Aryo Hamonangan, and the one on the bottom will be Leonard. You can update and delete this data by clicking the update button, and it will then prompt you to edit the data that has been submitted, or you can delete it. And if it is updated or deleted in the Firebase, will also be changed. So here, this is what it looks like if you submit. See, you see there's the address, the email, the ID. The ID isn't really what you submitted, but everything is what you submitted. And then if you update delete or if you input a new data, of course, the Firebase will change as well. So that's it for our presentation. Thank you for listening. I hope you have a good day.